Hey plant lovers, today we're introducing a truly mesmerizing plant, the angel wing, my special angel begonia. Known for its elegant foliage, striking colors, and easy care, this begonia is a perfect addition to any indoor plant collection. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your green journey, this beauty is sure to impress. Did you know that angel wing begonias are among the most popular cane-type begonias due to their rapid growth and unique leaf shape? The name angel wing comes from the way their pointed leaves resemble the outstretched wings of angels. My special angel, begonia in particular, is a standout variety with its delicate yet bold foliage, making it a favorite among collectors. Angel wing begonias have a fascinating history. Originating in the early 20th century, these begonias were created by crossing South American begonia species, resulting in stunning plants that quickly became popular for their ornamental beauty and resilience. My special angel begonia is a unique cultivar within the group, prized for its vibrant coloration and cascading growth habit. The My Special Angel begonia is a cane-type begonia with large, glossy leaves speckled with silver or white dots that shimmer in the light. The undersides of the leaves are a deep crimson hue, creating a striking contrast that makes the plant truly unforgettable. Its tall, upright stems give it an elegant, arching appearance, making it a statement piece in any indoor garden. To keep your My Special Angel begonia thriving, it's important to provide the right environment. This plant prefers bright and direct light. Too much direct sun can scorch its delicate leaves, while too little can cause it to become leggy. It does best in well-draining, airy potting mix, ensuring that excess moisture doesn't lead to root rot. Watering should be done when the top inch of the soil feels dry, maintaining a balance of moisture without overwatering. Since it's native to humid tropical regions, it loves warm temperatures around 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and appreciates extra humidity. If your space is dry, a humidifier or occasional misting can help keep it happy. Regular feeding with a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season will also promote lush growth and encourage flowering. If you want to create a beautiful indoor plant arrangement, pair your My Special Angel begonia with plants that enjoy similar humidity levels. Caletheas, ferns, and philodendrons make excellent companions, adding texture and variety to your display. In outdoor shaded gardens, this begonia pairs well with impatiens and hostas, complementing its delicate foliage with softer, rounded leaves. One of the most fascinating aspects of the My Special Angel begonia is its versatility. It can be grown as a tall, upright houseplant or pruned into a bushier, more compact shape. With proper care, it can produce clusters of delicate flowers, typically in shades of pink or red, adding even more charm to its already stunning presence. If given the right conditions, it can bloom multiple times a year, rewarding plant owners with spectacular floral displays. This begonia isn't just about looks, it's also known for its ability to improve indoor air quality, helping to refresh and purify your home environment. And that's everything you need to know about the angel wing, My Special Angel begonia. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more plant care tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy planting.